Hello guys, welcome to Fully Loaded Library, and make sure you'll hit like, share and subscribe and hit the notification bell icon. And today we'll be talking about word problems with subtraction. And the subtraction word problem goes like this. Nancy has 150 balloons. I don't know what are those balloons for, but maybe for a party. And then 55 of them pop. And she loses 55 of the balloons. And the question will be, how many balloons does she have left? They're asking, how many balloons does she have left? So you'll see that 150 balloons and a part of them is 55 because 55 of them popped. So she lost 55 of the balloons. And when we remove the 55 balloons from the total, that will be subtracting. Because you're taking away 55. And when we subtract that, we could use a solution. And it's an easy solution that will help you get more accurate, and it'll be faster and easier to use. And so this is how we'll do it. 150 minus 55, and we could then we have to regroup because 0 minus 5 is negative, and we don't like negative numbers here. So we regroup, and 4 at the tens this time. 4 at the tens left. And then when we continue subtracting, 10 minus 5 is 5. And then this 4 minus 5, what are we gonna do with that? You can't subtract that too. And we have to regroup again. So when we regroup, we get 14. 10 plus 4 is 14. So 14 minus 5 is 9. And our answer is 95. So she has 95 balloons left for the party. Maybe for the party. So stay tuned for what happens next to Nancy's party.